Hi there YouTube and welcome to another video. On today's video guys, I'm gonna teach you guys a simple 15-minute sniper entry that you guys can apply on a daily basis. You know your boy got you. So let's jump straight into this video. So first guys, what we're gonna do is the notes just pop out of the blue. We're gonna need a 1 hour time frame to determine the direction in the market. And second, we're gonna add our support and resistance. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with support and resistance, or your supply and demand, your order blocks, what you name it, right? So once we add our support and resistance, we're gonna scale down to our 15 minutes time frame. That is going to be where we're gonna take our trades on a 15-minute. That is why the name and of the thumbnail of this video is a 15-minute strategy. This strategy, guys, you can apply it, you can teach it, you can teach it for your son, your brother, your sister. Just try this strategy, right? So let's jump into this strategy. So 1 hour time frame, we can determine direction of the market. 15 minute, then 1 hour we gonna, sorry for that, 1 hour we gonna determine direction of the market, add our support and resistance, right? And scale down to 15 minutes time frame. Wait, let me just add this. Wait for your momentum candle. Oh, I think I spelled this wrong. Momentum candle. Wait for your 15 minute. Wait for your 15 minute momentum candle, right? This is the candle you're gonna wait for. And also wait for a close under your 21 EMA. Please add it in, guys. Write this down. I'm just gonna give you guys a second. You guys can just write it down. So let me just go through the strategy again. You're gonna need a 1 hour time frame to determine the direction of the market. Are we trending up? Are we trading to the side? Or are we trending to the downside? Then you're gonna add your support and resistance. Then we're gonna scale down to our 15 minutes time frame. We're gonna wait for 15-minute momentum candle, wait for a close under your 21 EMA, and then you enter your trade. That is how simple this strategy is, right? And that is how simple it will get. So let's jump into it, guys. You guys can just pause this video. So let's jump into 1 hour. So I can teach and show you guys the strategy. After this thing is just finished loading up. So let's go. Get it, gang. Right? Let's start from here. Let's make this example from here. You see price starting to create lower highs and lower lows, right? We already can see that from this move here to the downside, right? That is what we first have to do. I wonder where's my notes now. Okay, let's keep it here. Just put it down here, right? So now we on a 1 hour time frame. You guys can see this is our direction of the market. We are basically now trading to the downside. We did also break under this previous lows, right? So now we have our directional bias into the market. We know that we are bearish and we are trading to the downside. That's the first thing that you have to do, right? So now what we must also do is add our support and resistance. This is a resistance for us, right? Because right previously we break through it. So now this is going to be our resistance, right? So let's scale down to our 15 minutes time frame. This is a simple strategy. Where is that now? Okay, right here. Just bear with me with this, guys. I know this thing is a bit. And then we must scale down to our 15 minutes time frame, wait for a 15-minute momentum candle, wait for a close under your 21 EMA. Right? We have the momentum of the market, right? Our momentum is to the downside on a 1 hour time frame. A retracement phase, 15-minute candle, close under the 21 EMA. Enter our trade. keep our stop just above this previous low, and we target our previous lower low, right? This is what we will target, this reason right there, right? So I'm just gonna scale up to the 1 hour time frame. We know where we're trading right now. Let's move our resistance down. There we can see 50-minute candle close under your 21 EMA. There you guys can see. Stop just above there. Target your lows right there, right? Let's move on. Let's scale to the downside. Wait for that retracement. So you guys can see we break lows. We break this lows. Now we're expecting for this retracement phase. Yeah, you guys would have been stopped out because why? This was a breakout. There we have the retest, and there we have this candle closing under 21 EMA, because our stop will be just above here, right? There you guys can see price stopped us out, but that's okay. You're gonna get stopped out, guys. This is not a 100% 100 accurate strategy, but this strategy work most of the time. Now you can see price retrace back, and now you see this candle right here, 15-minute close under your 21 EMA. We already know the direction of the market on our 1 hour time frame. We are basically continue to the downside, and we're still sticking with a trend, right? This would have been your first target, right? Always target the first low first, then you can bring your stop to break even, right? Then you can just target your 1 to 2 if you just want to do that, right? Price starting to break structure just down here. So now we just draw this thing down, bap, then we wait for retracement. One note that you guys can keep in mind: once price starting to break structure, always expect a retracement, right? When price break a low or a high, expect price to retrace back, right? So here you guys can see price break structure, retrace back, and there we have this candle close under our 21 EMA, right there. This is our first structure area, just down here. This is also always are gonna be our first target, and we're gonna target out. We can have a 1 to 2 in here as well. So there you guys can see here again. This is our previous lower low. We break structure. What we're gonna expect, the retracement. Only gonna do that, right? Price closing under my 21 EMA. There. Enter your trade. Keep your stop above there and let the price run. This is your first target structure, and let price continue to the downside, right? That is what you guys must do. So now you guys can see price starting to break structure here again, right? Price break structure, price retrace back. So now you can just enter your position once price starting to close under your 21 EMA, just here as well. Keep your stop just above there, and just this target reason right here is a bit too close, so I will just let it run for 1 to 1 right here. So you guys can see price retrace back. So now we can just draw this thing more down, so you guys can see, right? Price breakout, break this lows, retrace back, and close under my 21 EMA, right? And target your 1 to 1 just down here, right? This is what you guys must do. So now let's change price in the opposite direction, right? Right, so let's just wait. Let's see in the opposite direction how you guys can apply this as well, right? Okay, let's wait, right? Just gonna show you guys more recent price flows, right? So as you guys could see right here is that price continue to the upside, break out of this structure. What we say, if price starting to break out of structure, right? We're always expecting a retracement, right? Break out of structure, we retrace back. There's a 50-minute candle. We keep our stop just under here, target our first high just up here, right? And keep your 1 to 2 up in this range, just here, right? There you guys can see price break out of this structure, price retrace back, right? Price retrace back, and now you guys can see that we have this a descending correction, and there we can see we have a strong momentum candle above this 21 EMA, and we keep our stop just under our previous low, and we target this high right here, because this is our first target point, and we keep our 1 to 2 up right there, right? 1 to 2 just up here, right? Let's just remove this and continue. So as you guys can see right here, we break the structure, right? We create this new higher high. So we apply our support and resistance just down here, right? There we can see breakout, retrace back, wait for price to close above the 21 EMA and keep a stop just under this lows. That's how simple this strategy is, guys. I've been using this strategy for a long time, right? And keep your 1 to 2 right there, right? So guys, I want you guys to go through this video again because why it will really add a lot of value to you if you just really implement all of the steps that I was showing you guys right here, right? Let me just go through the steps again. First, you must have determine what is the direction of the market, right? Are we trading to the upside? Are we trading to the downside, or price just moving to the side? This strategy will not work once price is doing this, right? It will not work once we are trading to the side. It will only work once we continue to the upside or once we continue to the downside. The second thing that you have to do on your 1 hour time frame is to add your support and resistance. That's the second thing. Add your support and resistance, right? Once we have a breakout of structure, remember price will retrace back, and that is what we're gonna do. So once the price retrace back, we're gonna scale down to our 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, we're gonna wait for our 15 momentum candle, right? 15 momentum candle must close also under my 21 EMA. If you have this in lock, guys, place your trade, right? Place your trade and place your stop under the previous high or under the previous low, right? That is how simple this 15-minute strategy is, guys. So let me know if you guys want to see more of this type of videos, because why a lot of people in my VIPs also ask me how do I also get the sniper entries, and most of the time it trades works. We also get some losing trades as well, guys. I'm not saying I have 100% accurate strategy, but this simple strategy, guys, works on a daily basis, right? You might just be patient with it and just wait. And I've been using this strategy for day in and day out now. That is why I'm giving it for free for you guys. Because why? My mentor was giving me this strategy and I implemented and applied. I go through the strategy and it works for me. So now I'm telling you guys is to go through and backtest this strategy, guys. Backtest this strategy and let me know in the comments your results. Because well, I know it will be crazy, guys. Your results will be crazy. I know that. So thanks, guys, for watching, and give your boy a subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel. I'm out. Reach gang.